Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC coin. The price line of Polygon rallied very well, as I told you that the price line is breaking out a very big triangle, and from here we can expect a big pump. And this was my last video that I shared, and this was my idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon on November 10th. And I told you guys that the price line has broken out the resistance of this ascending triangle and moving down to retest the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And from here, we can expect a big move. By the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here at the Patreon for my members. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description you can find there. Now, first of all, let me just show you this chart, because after the rally, the price line is again testing the same resistance as a support of this triangle. And this can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity for Polygon MATIC. Now, I'm just going to play the chart to show you what the price line is doing right now, how the price line rallied after this idea. You can see at that time it was moving at $183. Our first target was $243 and second target was $285. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved up and rallied up to $257, and now it is moving down again. And we are again having the same position of Polygon. It has even tested here on this previous candlestick on this weekly time frame, the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and again moving down. And if it will be at this support, then we can try it here, and we can again set our sell targets accordingly according to this chart. That is $2.43 the first target, and $2.85 will be the second target. Now let's move to the live weekly time frame, because we have already broken out this resistance of the triangle, but at the same time the price line on the same weekly time frame chart has also formed this up channel as well. So the next move will be to hit this resistance of the channel and to break out the resistance of the channel. After that, there will be a very long term and big bullish rally if the price line does that. Now, let me show you this triangle resistance. This is the resistance that I was showing you. We have 2 rejections here. We have almost 3 rejections here. Here the price line broke out this resistance of the triangle. And let me just show you, this is the accurate resistance we have here, because previously we also had another rejection here as well. And after testing this previous resistance as a support, it rallied very well, hit the first target, and moved down again. This time we are also having the support of this up channel. Therefore, it is possible that without testing this previous resistance of the triangle as a support, it will have a reversal move from here. And there is also a very strong price level resistance as well. We have approximately at $2.44, because here we have 1, 2, 3 touch points on the weekly time frame. Therefore, if the price line breaks it out, then the next resistance will be the resistance of this up channel. And after breaking out this resistance, the price level resistance of $2.44, there will be a really very high probability to break out the resistance of this up channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.